We bought this house in December of 2000, so almost 20 years ago, and it was such a fixer-upper when we bought it. But we went into it ready to roll up our sleeves and put a bunch of sweat equity into the house, and we were young and didn't have kids yet, and that's what we did. We tore things out and redid the bathroom, redid lighting, redid all sorts of things, painted everything. Actually, when we first moved in, we painted all sorts of bright colors. Bright red in the living room and bright green in the dining room, then bright blue, just to have, we had all sorts of wild colors in the house. And then over the years, we lived here for 12 and a half years. So over the years, we made lots of changes and kind of toned down our style a little bit, not so wild as we were when we were a lot younger. But it's just been a great house. Both of our kids were born not in the house, but we brought them home to the house and raised them here from young ages. And I have so many fond memories of them playing out in the backyard, working on the garden together, and cooking meals in the kitchen as a family. So just so many good memories. Really wanted to bring the character of the Mediterranean bungalow back into the house, and so we added Spanish style tiles and accents and painted the house a bright yellow, as you might do in a Mediterranean environment or a Spanish environment, and really just tried to really honor the heritage of the house. It's a 1926 house, so lots of great character. We've restored the floors, so you really get that feel of what this house was like when it was originally bought. And then we made significant upgrades along the way. We redid the roof. We've done copper plumbing throughout, put a tankless water heater in. We took out all of the old windows that had really bad draft coming in both the winter and the summer. What it really did was just add to the coziness of the house overall. Yeah, it's been a great journey, and it's been a wonderful house, and we're really excited to pass it on to another family or another proud homeowner that's excited to put their touch onto the house and live their life here, just as we have.